beautiful friends. This section of the recording and the videoing, we lost our sound. But what I'm explaining here is that we have really cute fall shirts on and that we went to Hobby Lobby and bought the cutest decor. We also went to the plant stores. We went to Strader's, one of our local nurseries here that have the greatest mums ever. We went to Lowe's and Menards, and we stocked up on pumpkins. We got celosia, aster, Rebecca, and flowering kale. And we have plans to decorate this table here and this whole entire area. And then I need to plant the mums into pots. And we need to redo my urns on the side yard. And we want to do a fun other project that I want to keep a little bit of a surprise for you guys. So I apologize again for the mic issue, but we are so excited and we hope that you guys continue watching. So what I think I want to do is pull the impatient out. This baby has been doing good for me, but you can tell it's seen better days.
A little wiry.
Yeah.
Does that mean they're done when they're wiry, kind of?
Well, we just haven't had enough moisture. Yeah. So I'm going to pull it, but I think I'm going to try to leave this, and I'm going to see what my alyssum, and I think I got Creeping Jenny in the front. There. So, Nick, you want to help me?
Yeah.
We're just going to start pulling this out.
I have one of these at home that's really wiry, so I think it's done for, like, it just looks...
We're just going to make a pile. Oh, you got the root. That's good. Keep going. Good? Yeah.
And I'm afraid I'm going to take out this other stuff.
Well. Ah!
Little dirt won't hurt.
No. I'm a big Espoma user. Love it. I've used it probably for about the last 3 years. Normally, I would use a biotone, the starter tone, but where I went, they were out of it. So I got flower tone. It's probably got enough nutrients in it, but amazing. Love so much. I go like this, handful, shake it in there. Maybe a little bit more. You want this?
Yeah.
She's not. I don't think she likes to get her hands as dirty as I do.
I don't mind, but I don't love it.
I just saw her wiping her hands with a wipe.
I do. A lot of times I'll wear gloves at home. I don't garden that much, but when I do use gloves.
I have gloves somewhere.
Well,
Fun. So now what I want to do is do like a little assembly line of planting up my little mums. And all right, Nick, get over here.
Put me to work.
I'm putting you to work. What? But I'll do your dirt for you. Does that sound good?
No, you gave me gloves.
Okay.
She gave me some gloves.
All right. So I think what we're going to do, Nick, is maybe two.
Okay.
Like
two
that.
Different color?
Yeah. 2 different colors.
All right.
I think I just sort of like one in this one. Do some with one, some with like some of the smaller. Yeah, these were $1.98 at Walmart.
What was that stuff called we just put on?
It's my Espoma that I love. But this is just flower tone.
Okay, flower tone.
Yep. They have.
Is that deep enough?
Yeah.
Put more dirt.
No, you can put a little bit more dirt. They have Espoma for everything. Flower tone, rose tone,
what does Espoma
bulb
mean?
tone. Espoma is the company. Yeah, and they're all organic.
Okay.
And they do. It makes your flowers bloom.
You love it, and it really makes a difference, obviously,
on
her stuff, because it's, you know.
Yeah, I really love it. Look at all these. Look how cute that looks just with the one.
All right, guys, I'm going to plan up this little box, and I'm going to put this purpley mum, a flowering kale, and an English ivy. It's going to be beautiful. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Oh, I love that.
The vines really add.
Yeah, I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for Vine. Well, for me, it's free too most of the time. I don't pay for Vine.
Your fence. Look at the fence right there.
What, hon?
Kind of viney.
Oh, yes.
Here, it's so
Oh, yeah.
You love that.
I do.
So beautiful.
How's that, Nick?
Looks really good. Yep. Looks
That,
great.
okay.
Really pretty.
I think the colors are just playing really well off each other.
Yes. Where'd you get the ideal for the kale? Did you just see that as an option when you're shopping, or?
Yeah, and then a lot of the gardening shows that I watch online, because, you know, I have my 3 I watch every morning. Of course, it's Laura from Garden Answer, Janie, Dig, Plant, Water, Repeat, and Robbie from, is it Welcome to Our Garden or Visit Our Garden, Robbie? I'm not sure. Okay, guys.
That is a win.
What? How easy.
How easy.
Okay. Simple. I'm just going to do just the kale in it.
They look like they were made for each other.
Yeah. I love it.
I would have never thought to buy that kale, but now I am like in love with it.
Yeah, me too.
I just think it is so gorgeous and so fall.
It's so and it's such a good contrast to the mums. Like,
it really just makes a difference.
Because when I first started gardening, I usually just use mums, you know, and it just gives it a
little something, something.
Yep.
A lot something, something.
All right, guys. Next, we got this beautiful pink one. I don't know. I don't see it. Oh, yeah, I do. See a tag. It says Jacqueline Peach Fusion.
It's really a striking color.
That's something, isn't it?
It's like orange with purple tips.
I just couldn't pass that up. And you guys will notice I am kind of tilting it because I'm going to be displaying these. So I don't want it to be this way. I want it to be that way.
And that one can stand alone. It's so pretty.
Yeah. No ivy, no nothing.
Okay, we're going to do these big wood, what are these called? Apple baskets?
I guess apple baskets.
Okay. But to fill up this, we don't want to fill this hole with dirt. Number one, it has holes in it. We're not going to do plastic. We're just going to do this. We're going to use these extras. Always use your extra stuff laying around. I'm going to stick that one in the bottom. I'm going to bend this one. And I'm going to shove it down in here. And then we're just going to set the pot on top. And that way we don't have to worry about, it'll just fit right
Oh my gosh.
there. Just like that.
Oh!
That was like, what, 10 seconds?
What? Do the other one real fast. That was too pretty.
I already got the plastic in this one. So I'm
Okay.
going to drop it in.
Oh, Nikki.
Ta-da! That's the best I can do right there.
I think those
That's
got
easy for me.
that's got to go on the front porch.
Okay.
Yes. I'm so excited about this. This is probably, no, it's not my most thing I'm excited about, but one of the most things I'm excited about because these are looking horrible and I'm tired of looking at them. But fall, mums, kale, some ivy, it's just going to be beautiful. So let's get to it. Might even throw some pumpkins in there. Pumpkins on a stick. So what we need to do is, I think I want to remove everything except for the licorice vine. I want to leave it, but I'm going to trim it up some so it doesn't look too crazy. So I'm just going to start pockets.
That's a cute apron.
Yep, I had to throw my apron on. There's that.
Little back shot.
Yeah. And I would love to do big mums in here, but I'm not going to have enough room for the base because this boxwood is taking a lot of the root system in the boxwood. So I got to be aware of that.
There's really not that many petunias in here, is there? Not really.
No, I only put 2 of the pink bubble gum.
Oh, there's a big chunk.
And then, okay, guys, I need to move some of this dirt out. So I want to do that. I'll probably end up just pitching this dirt. I hate to do it, but
you want me to get you something to put it in?
Yeah. So you don't have gloves, so I can do this, Nick.
Oh, I don't. It's all right.
Sure. All right. This licorice vine went a little crazy on me. I want to try to keep it in here because I think it'll be pretty. But I'm going to see how like parts of it are coming out this way, shooting in every direction. I just want to tame it a little. So I'm going to start small because you can never take back what you already cut, right?
That is true.
So we'll just go a little small.
A little haircut.
See, I really like the long ones. So I might leave those. I'm just wanting to get rid of, and look, here's a vine growing right there. Like this piece right here that looks
a little wonky.
It's like it wants to hug something.
Yeah. Maybe it wants to hug you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we're going to plant these up with kale and mums. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of vine where I'm missing some vine. And I thought this would be a good time to throw a little bit of fertilizer in. Not mainly for the mums, but more for the boxwood that could probably use a little. And we're really going to have to shove this in here because, man, these roots to this boxwood. I don't know.
Not going to make it.
I'm going to stuff it. I don't think this is working. Okay, so we're changing tracks. That kale did not fit. And I kind of knew that. I was pushing it, I knew. But I got to be very aware of these roots because I want this is doing so good and I want it to stay. So we're going to do mums.
Orange?
Orange, I think. You think?
Yep. You could actually put a little pumpkin right in between there to
fill
right
the space. Here.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. Oh, Nikki, look at that.
So cute.
Okay, so we added the mums, but right here is where this plant's roots are. So I couldn't plant anything there. And I'm not afraid to use fake flowers in things when you just need a pop. So we took this pumpkin that had some flowers coming out of the top and then took another pick behind it and kind of spread it around it. And then just took this one little pick. And there you go. We're going to do the other one, clean everything up. And then we have a surprise that we worked on that we want to just show you. And I think everything's beautiful and I'm getting bit.
Oh no!
Okay, we decorated this little bench area. We took the apple buckets with the yellow mums. I used some of my impatiens from summer still and used some of the little plants. Look how cute those little plants are. Just put a little bit of pumpkins, and for the final touches, we need a pillow and a throw. Okay, so I like to fold my throw like this. I folded it in two. Then I pulled the little section forward because I like to have this piece of fringe and the bottom piece of the fringe showing. Feels like you have a little bit more texture that way.
I would have never thought to do that.
Yeah. Give thanks, autumn, harvest, pumpkins, falling leaves.
Love. Pillow love.
Too good. Okay. You guys, you know how I have my handyman Steve, also known as my picker. Look what he bought me. He just bought me this about a week ago. And I can't love it anymore. And you know what's going inside of it? Yeah, you know.
That's adorable.
Okay guys, follow along because I'm so excited to show you guys all of this together. You know you guys got to go find your passion today.